welcome back to another episode from the kitchen of Meals with Milz. Tonight I will be making one of my favorite dish, and that is pork soft bone with veggies and all the flavouring here. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt and pepper, sesame oil, onions, garlic and ginger. My veggies, I have capsicum, peas, cabbage and mushroom. I will show you what I'm going to do with the veggies, but I like this meat. It's got a soft bone, very soft bone when it's cooked, and a lot of meat around it. So I'm going to wash our meat, cook it on the stove until it's nice and tender, and then I'll add our veggies. If you're new to my channel, thank you for visiting. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn that post notification on so you can be notified for more videos coming. Let's start cooking. So I'm going to wash our meat. So I have the ingredients there. I have been cooking the meat quite some time and it's cooked well now. I am ready to add my onions, garlic, ginger and soy sauce, salt and pepper, sesame oil and the veggies. I've also got yam that I will serve with our pork soft bones with veggies. Our yam, coconut cream, and our soft bone pork. I'm not sure if you can see the bone, soft bone in the middle. There's a lot of meat outside. Add a little bit of cheese. I'm going to add my onions. And this is the liquid I took out from when I was cooking the pork. So I can add it slowly if I need to. Add our ginger, it's about 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. I'll have every ingredient in the description box so you can check it out. I will add half of our garlic. Add our soy sauce, light soy sauce. A few tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, to start with. Just about a teaspoon of olive oil. Sorry, about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Smells really nice. Garlic, ginger, onions, all the soy sauce. See inside the pot. Okay, then we're going to add our veggies now. Add our peas. That first. Add more of that juice. Okay, going to add cabbage now. Nearly every family will have a vegetable garden behind their home. So most of the time we would have a recipe like this with whether it's tin fish with lots of veggies, or chicken if we can afford having mutton flap or lamb flap. Otherwise, most of the time we will use elengi or tin fish, and we will just fry it like the way I cook the meat, with lots of onions, and we just chuck in any vegetable that we have available in our garden. And I enjoy having a lot of this kind of food, and we will always have it with either bananas or taro. So I will add the rest of our veggies. Just mix it through. It smells really nice. The ginger, garlic, onions, and our pork is falling apart in the pot, which is what I wanted. More like a pulled pork stir fry. I'm going to add a little bit more of this juice or stock. Okay, we are done. I'm turning the oven off now, and I'll plate our recipe for tonight. But I might add a little bit more of dark soy sauce. And I might as well season it with salt and pepper. There's our soft pork and veggies. As you can see, the smoke, it's very hot. I'm going to taste it now. It's just a simple dish, but smells amazing, and it's full of goodness with all the vegetables, mushrooms, peas, red pepper, and cabbage. Okay. And I'm having it with yam. Okay. Add a little bit more salt. Taste it again. You can never go wrong with garlic and ginger and soy sauce flavouring. Whatever you cook with those main ingredients, it always tastes, you know, amazing to me. It always tastes really nice or yummy, delicious. It always tastes delicious. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will try this recipe. It's a simple recipe, but I promise you it tastes really good. Thank you so much for watching this episode from my kitchen, Meals with Milz. Thank you for the love and support. Please turn the post notification on so you can be notified for more videos coming. Take care, be safe. We're in another lockdown again, number 6. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you later.